on this episode of Rogue Renegades. Welcome to Ginnie Springs. You can call me a renegade, somebody who doesn't quite fit regular life's principles. And guess what? I think you might be a renegade too. Hey you guys, it's your girl Kelly Kells. I'm here with my best friend S1E1.
Behind the camera.
We are both marine and environmental scientists, environmental educators, and today we're gonna check out one of my favorite spots. Ginnie Springs is located in High Springs, Florida, just northwest of Gainesville. Because Ginnie Springs is a natural spring system, the temperature stays anywhere between 72 to 74 degrees year-round. Now, I know they say the springs is between 72 to 74 degrees, but for me, that's still a little chilly. So, when I dive, I always wear skin as well as a wetsuit. First off, in order to dive, you gotta have the gear. So I actually have some gear behind me. I'll show you guys how to set that stuff up a little bit later. But the basics fundamentals, you're gonna need a buoyancy control device, or what we divers call a BCD. You're gonna need a regulator, which is actually what provides oxygen to you while you're underwater. You're gonna need a mask, snorkel, and fins. So let's check it out.
Here we go.
Time to dive. There are a variety of different dive sites here at Ginnie Springs. We're gonna actually check out the Ballroom Cavern. In order to access that cavern, it's definitely recommended that you have your own light, or what we call torches. The cavern is about 50 to 60 feet deep. Florida sits on a bedrock of limestone, which runs adjacent to the Floridian aquifer. Limestone is a porous rock, mainly composed of calcium carbonate. And just so you know, calcium carbonate makes up seashells, eggshells, pearls, and even lays the foundation for our world's coral reef ecosystems. Ginnie Springs is one of Florida's first magnitude springs, which means it releases a continuous flow of water at about 100 cubic feet per second. This makes Ginnie Springs one of the most important natural and recreational resources in the state of Florida. Within the park here, there's a couple of different places where you can stay. Of course, they've got cabins. Me and my friends, we actually prefer to check out the campsites. What we love about the campsites is they have water and electric campsites. So it's a real easy, laid-back spot to hang out. They even got some spots where you can build a fire and keep yourself warm in the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed our adventure. Don't worry, there'll be plenty more coming along soon. Remember, keep in mind to check out Kelly Kells and S1E1
Behind the camera.
on Rogue Renegades. This episode of Rogue Renegades, you can cut that up, can't you? Okay, go ahead. Chicken. I'm here with my best friend, Simone Moan.
Behind the camera.
And we are in Ginnie's.
One more.
So y'all ready to go for a dive? What do you want me to say?
This thing keeps rubbing against your
I feel bad. You got this look on your face.
It's not in my eye.
So y'all ready to go, Rogan? No, we gotta get in this water.